How would you like making up to $300 listening to music? Very easy stuff. Now, you might be someone who listens to music. Maybe you listen to hip hop, maybe you listen to R&B and all of that music. But how about if I tell you that you can get paid doing that? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you not even one website. I'm going to also show you two websites that you're gonna make money by listening to music, and you haven't seen this website before, or you might have seen it but you didn't know that you could be making money with that. Now, this is gonna be very nice trick that I want you guys to watch. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on so you get notified for all the new easy tricks to make money online. Now, without further ado, let's start with the video. Now, make sure to like this video as well if you like it. Now, the website that we're gonna go to, it's called Mixkit.com. Now, this is a website that you can download free stuff, free music, free video, free stock music as well, and all of that. Now, what we have to do is we're gonna click stock music. All right, now you can see here's the genre of music. Now, you might be thinking that there's so many genres, but the most popular are hip-hop and acoustic, so these are the top. Now, let's just click on this one. Now, these are the music that you can download for basically free. Now, make sure to watch the entire video because I'm going to show you how you can make money from that. You can make up to $10 per music that people actually download, and you can make money from that. Now, the second website that we need to use is called upforever.org. Now, this is the website that we need to use in order to make money online. Now, you can also see if we click payment proof, people are making money from this website. Look at these. So basically, as you can see, people are making from this website, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Now, this is a proof of payment that there's already 38,000 payments, and they have already done a lot of payments. So now what do you have to do? This is the only website that you need to sign up for, where you need to click on sign up from here, and then you need to add your username, your password, and then you need to retype your password again. This is very simple stuff. Now, and then what you have to do is basically you are going to download these videos, this music, and then you're going to re-upload that and basically make money from every download that people do on this website. Now, once you sign up, you are going to end up in this page where you are going to be able to upload the videos, or you can actually basically click here, upload files, and we're gonna come back in here. This is the music that we're gonna download. Like, for example, if we want to upload this video, we are gonna click in here. Now, you might need to know that you don't even need to sign up for this website. These are already automatically you're able to download. Now, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna drag the file here, and remember that the thing we need to know is, first of all, we need to change the name. Now, you can see this is trip hub vibes. We get a description, and then we're gonna also add the artist name. Now, the artist name is by Alexandra. Okay, Alejandro. You're gonna click by Alejandro, copy, and then we're gonna click it in here, and make sure to make it public so that people can able to find this. All right, tick it public, and then start uploading. Now, you can see that this is going to be uploaded in just a second. Now, we just uploaded the file, and we are good to go. Now, as you can see, the file has been uploaded successfully. Now, in order to access your file, you're going to come back into your account, and then you're going to go to my account. Now, there's going to be another step that need to be done with this. So we're going to click my files, and you can see this is the file. All right, now you can see that the file is 3 MB, and you can see the data has been uploaded, downloads. Now, and you see public has been ticked. We're gonna click in this, and then we are gonna make the price $10. All right, so for each download, you're gonna make $10 from that, and then we are gonna add our password for this. So we can do this thing over and over again. Now, we're gonna come back and download another one. Download has been started, and then we're gonna go upload a file, and then we are gonna basically drag the file here. Now, important thing that I have forget to mention, that you need to comply with their policy. You don't have to upload prohibited porn stuff and all of that thing that is prohibited. And in case they find that, they're gonna ban you, and then they will not release the fund to you. If the upload is not working, make sure that you disable your ad block if you have already an ad block. Now we just uploaded this file. Now we are gonna come back, and then we are gonna name the file by just gonna name it like this, and then we are gonna click start upload. Now this is gonna be uploaded instantly right now, and then we are gonna come back to my account again, and then we are gonna basically go to the files and then make the price similar, or you can also make it cheaper if you want. Now this is the one we're gonna make it this time. We're gonna make it $7, and that's it. So basically you are gonna keep doing this over and over again until you have a library of entire list. And one more thing, if you want to do it from your phone, it's available. You can just go to your Google Play and then search for App Forever Make Money by Sharing Files. This is the file, this is the app that you need to download from your phone, and then you can do this over and over again, and maybe you are gonna keep on uploading files until you find people downloading your files, and then you start making money, and then you're gonna be one of these people who are making money from this website. What I'm just gonna show you again, the payment proofs. You can see these people are making money from here, and they are receiving their payments through PayPal. And you can also receive payment in different payment method. Like for example, you can see that in the ways that you can make money. If you download these files, tier 1 you're gonna make $7, and tier 2 you're gonna make $4, tier 4 you're gonna make $3. Well, basically these are the top tier, which is downloads from United States, Canada are basically in the top tier. The top tier 4 are Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. Australia are on the tier 2, which is basically also $4, and tier 4, which is this one, is basically $3. So you need to focus on this tier so that you're gonna get downloads from the United States and Canada, and that's all you have to do. Basically, this is how you can make money, and basically this is all you need to do. You are gonna keep on uploading files in here, and you are gonna make money simply. So this is all you have to do. Now if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to like this video if you liked it. And also, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, there's a link in my description, and check that link if you guys willing to make money online. Also, I'm gonna be showing you guys my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing. The link for that in the description. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.